Hey guys, today I'm excited to show you the handy and incredibly useful app Sloan. The all-new app where you can manage to pay off your student loans faster and more efficiently, making your life that much easier. With Sloan, you can set up automatic schedules for payments, provide access for family and friends to help make payments, and even allows you to transfer money between different types of accounts within the app. With so many options, Sloan will customize your experience to your needs, allowing you to manage your student loans like never before. Explore the many great features of Sloan in this video made in collaboration with PreApps, and discover how you can completely revolutionize the way you pay off your student loans with this incredible app. You can download Sloan today for free using the link on the screen or in the description. Let's take a closer look. To start off in Sloan, simply make your account and sync your loan account with the app. Sloan is partnered with a wide variety of lenders like Sallie Mae, Great Lakes, Wells Fargo, and so many others, allowing you to combine all of your loans into one secure location. Once your profile is set up, you'll have access to a wide variety of features that allow you to plan out when and how you'll pay off your loans. With scheduled payments, you can link your bank account or other payment options to make automatic payments weekly, monthly, or whatever works for your budget. Sloan is also the first app to offer novel repayment methods, like transferring money between bank accounts, crypto, digital wallets, straight from the app. The app also offers a wide variety of tools to visualize loan balances decreasing, as well as loan fulfillment timelines for a comprehensive snapshot. With so many options, Sloan has something for everyone and is bound to make paying off your student loans so much easier. Another great feature of Sloan is the peer payments feature, which allows family and friends to help chip in. By linking your account with others, your loved ones can help make payments towards your loans with the simple push of a button. Whether it's for birthdays, holidays, or payments for side jobs, friends and family members can pitch in whenever they'd like. The app will also automatically notify you anytime someone makes a payment on your loan, so you'll always know the progress of your loan at all times. You can also organize and prioritize your loans so payments will go towards smaller loans or ones with higher interest first, and even automatically apply purchase roundups with a debit card. Sloan allows you to manage which loans you want to pay off first and makes crowdfunding easier and more efficient, making sure that you'll be able to pay off your loan as fast as possible. Sloan is a unique and extremely useful new app bound to make even the difficult task of paying off loans a little less stressful. With so many options, Sloan allows you to organize and manage your loan payments with ease, making it an incredibly handy tool for whatever you need to get done. Be sure not to miss out on this amazing app and download Sloan today for free using the link on the screen or in the description. Enjoy.